The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about the vicarious liability of an employer for their employees' conduct. There's two doctrines that basically lead to causes of action against employers for the wrongful actions of their employees. One is a doctrine called respondeat superior, and the other is negligent hiring. So let's start with respondeat superior. Basically, this is a Latin term that means the master is liable for the actions of their apprentice. But an employer is liable for the actions of their employee according to respondeat superior if the employee's conduct that is wrongful is the kind of conduct that he or she is hired to perform. It's within the authorized limits of time and space of the job, and it's performed for the purpose of serving the employer. So the key is whether the negligent action was taken within the scope of employment, and that's where most of the disputes in vicarious liability litigation happen, is determining whether the action was within the scope of the employment or whether the employee was off on their own personal jaunt outside of employment when the wrongful act occurred. So negligent hiring is kind of a separate cause of action, and it differs from respondeat superior because if you're doing a negligent hiring cause of action, the employer doesn't, the employee's action doesn't have to have been within the scope of their employment. The employer just has to have negligently hired the employee and put them in a position to do basically the wrongful action. So this often happens in the case of an employer failing to do criminal background checks. An example would be an employer hiring a sex offender negligently in a position where they're going to be interacting with children. If the sex offender does something wrong to a child in that position, it doesn't matter whether that was within the scope of employment if the employer negligently hired them and put them in that position. So thanks so much for listening. If you have questions, please leave a comment in our comments section. We'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. There's lots more articles and videos on nearly every other topic at learn-about-law.com. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.